Manage Files is a file management tool to help you organize your files into folders, similar to File Explorer on your computer or laptop. It contains all the files used in your course, including the topic pages added to the table of contents. To open Manage Files, click Course Admin located on the top navigation bar, and click Manage Files under Site Resources. In this course template, there is a folder for each module listed in the table of contents. If you want to add a file to any of these folders, click the folder name. For example, click Week 1 to open the folder. Then, click Upload. You can drop files here or click Upload to find a file on your computer or external drive, and then click Save. To create a subfolder under Week 1, click New Folder. Enter folder name and click Save. It is more efficient to use the Manage Files tool when you want to create or copy the file structure currently on your computer or to upload a number of files at once.